Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to install custom recovery on SONY Xperia XA F3111. Okay, our device needs to have the bootloader unlocked. I won't show you how to do it in that video, but you can find the link in the description. There's a video on our channel when I'm explaining everything step by step how to unlock that bootloader. Okay, if your bootloader is unlocked, you need to visit the mega page. In here we have the link. I will also copy it in the description. And now we need to click on custom recovery. You need to download those two files. It is really easy. Also, I'll show you how to do it. Simply click on download, then standard. If it pops out right in here, simply click on keep. Okay. And now go into local disk C, ADB, and copy those two files into that folder. Okay. If it has been copied, we can close it up. Now we need to launch the CMD. So simply type CMD. Now run as administrator. Also, you need to turn off your device, your phone. And now type cd/cd-adb. And now we need to turn our phone in the Fastboot mode. We do it by holding the volume up button, and then we need to insert our cable. And when the phone vibrates and when you see an icon right in here, a light, that means that everything went fine. So keep holding volume up and insert the cable. Keep holding. We can hold for a little bit longer. Okay. Now type Fastboot devices, Fastboot get var all. Okay, everything went successfully. We can see in here the word secure and it says no. That is good because that means that our bootloader is unlocked. And now type Fastboot flash boot. And now using the tab, find this, boot XASS, click on enter. Actually, my device has been turned on again, so I need to turn it off one more time. Okay, if your phone has turned on by a mistake, just like in my case, simply turn it off and then repeat the process until in the command prompt you see this. It means that everything went successfully. And now type Fastboot flash recovery.img. Press enter. Okay, everything went successfully. Now we can unplug our phone, and now we need to launch the recovery mode. Hold power button and volume down button at the same time until you see the logo. When it appears, release the finger from the power button, but keep holding volume down. Okay, keep holding. Okay, you can see that our custom recovery mode has successfully launched. Now swipe to the right side, click on wipe. Now we need to click format data. Remember that everything will be deleted. Click on format data, type the word yes, confirm. Now we need to wait. Okay, and that is all. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.